How is everything?
Great.
Alright, the mint pea soup is going to start with 1 shallot. You just want a real fine dice on them. They're not for texture, they're for taste. Got me a bulb of garlic. I peeled it already. Now I'm going to cut it up real fine. This is going to be the base of our mint pea soup. Get your pan on a medium heat. A little bit of oil. In go the shallots and garlic. And you just want to stir them up. You're not going to cook these long. Just get a real light roast on them. Pretty much there. Once you got a little bit of brown on these, beautiful. Beautiful. We're going to put some frozen peas in here. Get those peas cooking. Break them down. And then you can see, I put a lot in there. I'm making a lot. I'm not going light on my portion. Pea soup. Let me give me some salt on there. Add a little salt on there. So you just want to get a light roast on those peas. And then once you do, you're going to introduce some vegetable stock to the mix. Get enough of that broth in there to get a liquid soup. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, these peas are looking real nice. Blend it all up and then return it to this pan. Heat, and then we're going to put some mint on top of that and get the minty flavor out on the soup. Right, we're going to get the pasta boiling for the Alfredo. Too high. Alright, we got some hot water. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, as with everything else. Pinch of salt, and then don't break your noodles. Let them cook down. Stir them a little bit, and it'll happen. Those ends are going to cook, and then you just stuff the noodle in the hot water without boiling your finger. Try it out. See if it's ready yet. Nope, not yet. Need a little bit longer. Sauce started. A little bit of butter. Followed up with a little heavy whipping cream. Get that base going. Just a touch of milk. I put a little bit of room temperature cream cheese in there. I'm going to do a little bit of garlic salt. That garlic salt in there. And nutmeg.
You must whip it, you must whip it, you must whip it, you must whip it. Now whip it good.
And it'll start to thicken up, come together. All that creamy Alfredo goodness. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is why you're here. Prime ribeyes. With a little bit of salt. This is Texas, so salt and pepper. I'm doing a regular sear on a cast iron. Take a look at that. I mean, you got this fat on the side. I'm gonna sear it. Alright, got the cast iron searing hot.
Every single portion, we're gonna get nasty. I promise that you won't wanna get off. Every single portion.
Time of the day do you like to make love? And I say, I'm smoking. Ooh, shit. When I start making love, I don't just make love, I be stroking. That's what I be doing. I be stroking.
I got my oven at a low 250, and those are going to hang out 5 minutes or so. I got some fresh Parmesan. Oh, it's just If you could smell it, it's so good. Fresh shredded cheese.
That kind of love is mythical, but now I find her simply irresistible.
Honestly, this is madness right now. I've signed myself up to cook and bake so much. How is everything?
Great. One contest.
I won the contest.
Yes.
All right.
Well, it was better than best.
Better than the best.
Best on earth.
Sailor, are you gonna get any scraps? Is anyone gonna feed you scraps? Oh, that's a good boy. So, the cake mix. 2 cups room temperature butter, 5 eggs, 2.5 cups of granulated sugar, 4 cups of flour, a teaspoon and a half vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cups of whole milk, I've got the flour, eggs, and milk in there. I'm going to start the mixer up and get that going. And then as that's going, I'll slowly add some sugar to it. Now once I got it to a nice thick liquid consistency, I'll slowly add the butter in. Don't you just love butter? Oh my. Butter. Butter. The idea behind the cake is a banana split. It should all come together like a banana split, but in cake form. I'm going to throw a few handfuls of frozen strawberries in there. And the idea right now is to just cook them down a little bit. We'll throw a little sugar on top, and it should create a nice syrupy mixture that's going to go into the strawberry layer of the cake batter. Sprinkle some sugar on there. Get a double boiler going, and we're going to melt some chocolate chips for the chocolate layer of the cake. Probably do about a cup and a half of chocolate chips. The double boiler works great for bringing this chocolate down to a liquid state, and then this is just going to go beautifully in the chocolate layer of the cake that is the foundation and is going to be at the bottom. Put that, oh yeah, oh yeah. And so I'll take about 2 cups for each individual layer. Blend that up and oh my goodness. Just let that fall in love. Look at that. Oh, man.
I've been smoking.
Then we're just going to pour that into a cake pan lined with parchment paper. And we're just going to get that chocolate layer going. Oh, my goodness. Get in there. Get in there. This one I just go ahead and hand mix since it's all liquid.
I've been smoking.
Not a problem. Get that mixed up real good, and it's going in its pan. Dang, look at this. Ruffle truffle chocolate cakey goodness. The banana layer is pretty straightforward. Just going to take some bananas. You want to get them on the softer side, not too bruised up. Crumble those up, and then we'll blend those in. Get that going. It's going to be a little thick, but you break those bananas down, and that flavor right there, that's the winner of the cake, in my opinion.
Oh shit! I've been smoking.
The banana flavor layer. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. The banana. Yes, sir. The vanilla layer is pretty straightforward. Banana, strawberry, chocolate. In reverse order. So it's going to be a chocolate on the bottom, then the strawberry, then the banana, then the vanilla, then the top will be beautiful. So we'll just pop those bad boys in the oven. Oh yeah, those cakes are ready. Alright, onto the buttercream. 1 cup room temperature butter. 3 cups of powdered sugar. And about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Mix that all up. Butter. And like the cake batter, I like to just kind of add that sugar in a little bit at a time so that it blends up real nice. And then you're going to want to blend it until that heavy whipping cream starts to get thick. Put layer. Strawberry layer. Banana layer. Vanilla.
Gonna eat a lot of peaches. Moving to the country, gonna eat me a lot of peaches.